Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to change Telegram download location. So if you also want to change Telegram download location, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Telegram application. You can see over here, Telegram application has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. At top left corner, you'll be able to see 3 lines. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. Find the option for settings, tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Under settings, you'll be able to find several options. Find the option for data and storage, tap on it. Now you'll be led to the data and storage interface. If you have SD card inserted on your device, beneath the data uses option, you'll be able to find the option for storage path. All you have to do is tap on it. And after that, you'll be able to change the Telegram download location according to your choice. But if you do not have SD card inserted, unfortunately, you'll not be able to change the Telegram download location. So that is how you change Telegram download location. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.